Hello. Today we're going to talk about abortion rights of unmarried women. Young Indian women know very little about their legal rights regarding safe abortion. The annual number of abortions in the country is massive, say over 15 million, constituting 33% of the total annual pregnancies in the country. Both in urban and rural areas, there is overwhelming reliance on abortion by ingestion pills from our kit for 2 to 3 days. But does India have an abortion law? So the Medical Termination of Pregnancy, which is the MTP Act of 1971, regulates the conditions under which a pregnancy may be aborted. This is possible for every Indian woman outside the Jammu and Kashmir region. At what point in pregnancy can a woman get an abortion? So the Act, which is the MTP Act, allows medical abortion up to 9 weeks of pregnancy and surgical abortions up to 20 weeks of pregnancy. And it also requires the opinion of one doctor if the abortion is done within 12 weeks of pregnancy and 2 doctors for abortion within 12 to 20 weeks. The legal provisions allow termination beyond 20 weeks of pregnancy only from the permission of the court, and if the woman is suffering from a serious disease or if a physical or a mental health is endangered by a pregnancy. Unmarried women are entitled to seek legal abortion under the following circumstances. 1. If the pregnancy is a result of a contraceptive failure. 2. If the pregnancy is harmful for the physical and the mental health of the mother and the baby. 3rd, if there is a possibility that the baby may develop physical abnormalities after birth. And 4th, if there is a pregnancy which results after a sexual assault or rape. Our Indian law only provides one other exception to an abortion that falls outside of the ambit of the legal parameters if an abortion is performed under good faith, which is to save a life. When is abortion illegal and what are the penalties for it? First, there is female feticide. Abortion based on the sex of the fetus is considered a crime. According to the Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques, which is the Prohibition of the Sex Selection Act 1994, it is illegal to conduct any kind of test to determine the sex of the fetus. Any person seeking abortion and the doctor performing the abortion based on the sex of the fetus can be liable up to 7 years of imprisonment. The second one is causing of miscarriage. Outside of the permitted conditions explained above, abortion is illegal in India. As the Indian Penal Code, which also governs Indian abortion laws, sections which are from 312 to 316 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 lays down situation and states as to when abortion is illegal and punishable under the law. In India, 13 women die every day due to unsafe abortion-related causes, and a whopping 6.4 million pregnancies are terminated every year. Unsafe abortion, the third leading cause of maternal death in the country, contributes to 8% of all such deaths annually. The number of abortion cases in India indicate the dire need for sex education programs, a friendlier in communication between children and their parents, and educating the male partners to build a healthier and a more conscientious attitude towards female reproductive health. Tell us in the comments below your thoughts on the abortion laws in India. Do unmarried women get their share of fair treatment and justice they deserve or not?